For the last 15 years, iZotope has defined what's possible for audio post-production professionals. And we've listened to and worked with the post community to help solve the impossible. And you've helped us create an award-winning tool that helps you quickly and reliably bring stories to life. And as the world keeps changing and getting noisier, we've heard more and more from you what needs to be done. And today, we deliver our answer. Introducing RX9. Featuring complex ambience match. Capture real background movement and textures with this new mode in ambience match. Now you can easily match scenes with rain, ocean, crowds, traffic, and more. And enhanced separation with Dialogue Isolate. With new machine learning, Dialogue Isolate makes it even easier to instantly extract the noisiest dialogue, artifact-free, all while preserving the underlying ambience. With reimagined dynamic dehum, in just one click, automatically remove any amount of hum, ring, or harmonic interference without affecting the audio quality. Plus, we've added a new restore feature to roll back any selection to a previous history step. Get the best combined audio processing at one point in time, as well as an expandable history list for easier referencing. RX9, the industry standard for audio repair. Head to iZotope.com to learn more about RX9 and get your copy today.